Hi guys, this is Custodio here, and this is a Postman beginner tutorial. And today we're going to talk about how to chain the requests. So to reach this goal, we'll follow three steps. Step 1 is extract data from a response. Step 2, we're going to save this data, this value, into a variable. Step 3, we are going to use this value, this variable, in another request. Okay, first, let's open a Chrome browser and let's get some fake data to work. Let's put here JSON placeholder. Yeah. Let's access this website here, JSON placeholder. And what is going to be the task? Well, we have here 10 users, a list of 10 users. Let's click here and open in a new tab. You can see here that we have a list of 10 users. The task is to get the first name of the first position here, right? This is our task, to get this data here, the name, Leanne Graham. Okay, so let's copy this URL here, and let's go back to Postman. Here on UI of Postman, you are gonna click here to open a new tab. Okay, let's paste the URL here, right? You can see here, and let's hit the button send to check the list of 10 users. Okay, you can see here the response is okay. Let me just expand here, and you can see here that Leanne Graham. Okay, let's extract this data here. So how you're gonna do this? How to extract this data here? First, you can click here on this tab tests. So we are gonna write some script to get this data. So this is the code, but to make it work, we have to be under some environment, right? You can check here that we are not under any environment, right? So you can click here and let's associate this request under some environment. For this, I'm going to click here on API Studies Environment, right? And let's click here on Save. And when you click here on the button Save, this dialog box to save your request is opened to you. Let's save it in my first collection and first collection folder. You can click here on this button. And our request was saved under this collection, my first collection. Here you can check when you expand this folder, you can see here, right? So let's run this code here and check if everything is okay. You can click here on this button send. And let's check if the variable first name was set right in this environment API studies here. Let's click here on this I button, environment quick look. And you can see here that the variable first name, the current value is Leanne Graham. Okay, so it worked. We just get the data from our response and save into a variable, right? So let's use this variable here, first name, in another request. This is the step 3 of our task. For this, you can click here to open a new tab. We are gonna make another request. For doing this, let me type here google.com/search, right? And let's use this as a parameter. Okay, you can see here that the first name environment, the value is Leanne Graham, right? So let's click here on this button send. For this, you don't need to save this request. We are just testing if the variable is working, right? Let's click here on this button send and let's check if the variable is working. And so let me just expand here. And you can see here that the name Leanne Graham was searched by Google. So our variable is working in another request, right? So that's it, guys. This is just how you just chain the request. You extract some data from a response and save into a variable, and then you can use this variable, this value of this variable in another request, one or more requests. Okay? So if you want to receive more content like this, please subscribe to this channel. My name is Custodio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.